Hello, my name is Mardjan Shokoufi and I'll be your online instructor for the math course. The first thing you need to do is go to imperial.blackboard.edu and then you can choose your course. So when you go to Blackboard, you will see your Math 81 Fall 2001 or whatever semester you are in. This is just a sample for all the online courses I'll be teaching. You need to be going to the syllabus section first. You will see a couple of different documents there. You will see your actual syllabus for the course, how to get started, and purchase my math lab program, which is the component of the course, and the modules for the course. For the syllabus, if you click on the syllabus, and the syllabus opens up and you see the syllabus for the course, it has a general information. It has my office phone number, location, information about the course, what will be covered. It has your My Math Lab course ID, which you need to be able to purchase your program. You need that you see that you have a deadline to purchase your program. It has information about modules, portfolio, other rules, how many tests we have in the class, how many homeworks. So you go ahead and copy it and print it, and you would look at it and you read it and you let me know if you have a question about it. On the syllabus section, again, you have 3 documents. The other documents on how to get this started and how to purchase my math lab program, and if you click on that, you will see a document showing how to go about purchasing it, what is it that you need an email, you need a credit card, and so on. So you can go ahead and print that, read it over, and go follow it step by step. And the last section of your syllabus would be your modules for the course. The modules tells you what you need to do every week of the course. So you notice your homework 1 covers materials from section 1.1 through 1.7. I have for you what to read, what examples to pay attention to, and so on. The other material that you see on the blackboard are forums, which are discussion items. Right now we have 1 discussion there that you notice that it has a due date and a time. So you go ahead and post your answer to the questions that I have there. You can use email to email me. We have announcement. If I have some announcement, I would put some announcement there for you. Right now you see that there is a welcome announcement there for you guys to see. So basically that's as much as we do on the blackboard for right now. Most of your work again would be done on my math lab. So to go to my math lab, you purchase the program and you notice that when you log in, you have a couple of items there. Usually your upcoming homeworks are going to be posted there. There's some announcement there from the publisher, and if I have an announcement, it will show up right here as well. Notice that they have you do a browser check to make sure you have all the plugins to be able to watch the videos. You can access your textbooks, homework, and so on. So the first week of the school, I'm going to start reading and watching the videos and so on as a student. So let's say I want to go to chapter 1. So I go to multimedia library. I chose chapter 1. I have a couple of options. I can watch the animations, textbook, or lecture video. Let's say I want to go look up a textbook. And let's say I want to start with section 1.1. I'm just starting, so I'm going to go on chapter 1. Chapter 1, section 1. A textbook opens up, and this would be actually exact same thing as if you had a physical textbook. So we opened up the page 2 of our textbook. You can start reading. There are questions and examples you can try on yourself. If you want to go to the next page, there is an arrow here on top you can use to go to the next page, page 3, read the examples, and so on. On your modules, it tells you what pages to pay attention to, what examples to pay attention to. So make sure you have your module handy as you go ahead and read and study your textbook. Let's say I don't want a textbook, I want to also watch some lecture videos. So I can go to choose lecture videos. There are different lectures shows up. You click on the section you're interested in, and you see that there is a video showing up, and you can play the video. You have different objectives depending on the video that you're watching for that section. Let's say you have done enough reading and you're ready to do your homework. You choose the homework option. The homework page opens up. Notice that you have the homework for the whole semester already there. Notice that they have due dates and also time. So your homework might be due at 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning. You just need to make sure you pay attention to them. Let's say I'm ready to do homework. I've done enough reading and watched enough lecture video, and I want to do my homework. 1. Notice that you have, for this homework, maybe 98 problems there. You can start clicking on the homework. The first homework problem opens up. I know it's the first homework problem because on the top, problem number 1 is highlighted. Notice on the left hand side, you have different mathematical symbols that you can use: less than, fractions, power, and so on. You do your problem on your own piece of paper, and all you do, you enter your answer here. So 5, 7, 2, whatever your number is, you enter. If you don't know how to do it, there are helps available on the side. You can say, help me solve this. If you use this option, you don't get any points for the problem because you're not really solving it yourself. You can say, view an example, a problem similar to this shows up. You can then go back and answer that question that you have, and you can earn the points for it. You can choose textbook page related to this problem opens up. You can say, ask my instructor. I would get an email with this question from you, and you can print it to bring it to me to see, or to a tutor to see, to help you out. And if you're done with the problem, or if you don't want to do this problem, you can just click on the second problem and start doing problem 2, 3, 4, whichever one you want to do. Notice that again you have all those options on the side available, and over here you have the options for getting help as you need them. All right. In this class, you're going to do 2 tests online, and it will show up on the quizzes and test section. So you can go to quizzes and test. If I don't have any test available right now, you don't see anything. As soon as we're going to have a test, you will see a test option available here for you. The other thing that you probably are interested is your gradebook, and over here you will have an option for you to see how you're doing in the class. So as of right now, I only opened up homework 1. I didn't answer any questions, so it shows me my score to be 0%. If I have done some problem, then my score would have changed to 1%, 2%, 3%, or 100% if I have answered all the questions correctly. Again, the best place to start would be the Blackboard to look at your syllabus for the course. That way you know what you have to do. The syllabus has all the deadline for all your homework. If I scroll down, you see on the bottom of your syllabus you have the schedule for the class every week. You know what you have to do. You have all your due dates, what sections you have to be covered. We do cover lots of sections in these courses, so you have to make sure you be on top of your schedule and manage your time wisely. Notice that you have all your test dates there, your finals, and everything else that we need to do are available there for you to look at. All right, you let me know if you have any question. On the first page of your syllabus, you know where my office is. You would have my phone number there. You see where I'm in my office physically, so make sure you go ahead and look at them. Check your syllabus so you know the information, and as soon as you have a question you want to ask me, you don't want to wait, because the class goes fast and you need to be on top of it. All right, come to the class and have a great semester.